coloring the happy smiles on my toothbrushing chart.
Boy, you brushed your teeth a lot.
Well, this is for the whole month.
Oh, looks happy with all those smiles.
Yes, doesn't it though?
Are you happy, Bernie?
Okay, what is it?
What?
You want something. You are up to something.
Boy, can't I even be nice to someone?
Oh, I didn't know you were being nice. I'm sorry. I thought you were just about to ask me for something.
Oh, all right. I want to go to the mall.
Well, you can't go by yourself.
I know that. Will you go with me?
I knew it. You want something. You were using your I want something tone of voice on me.
Come on, Bernie, let's go hang around at the mall.
What?
Let's go over to the mall.
And what?
Hang around.
And what?
Come on, Bernie. You'll enjoy yourself.
And what?
You can visit the bookstore.
And what?
Well, you don't have to be so... You don't...
And what?
Roger did it.
You wanna what?
How can I go to the mall if you don't take me?
You wanna what?
Okay. I want to hang around. Is that what you are trying to make me say?
You wanna what?
I said hang around. I said hang around so you can just quit saying you wanna what?
We don't hang around at the mall because we aren't allowed to hang around at the mall. And I'm surprised to hear that Roger's parents let him do that.
I don't think they know he did it.
Well, that explains it.
Well, he said he had a good time.
Roger, sweet little guy that he is, wouldn't know a good time from a broken leg. And if you don't listen to Mom and Dad, you won't either.
He got this really cool t-shirt.
He sneaked. And if his parents find out, he'll get more than a t-shirt.
All right, give me 10 reasons why I can't hang around at the mall.
10?
Okay, 5.
No, I'll give you 10.
Okay.
Number 1, God says, redeem the time. And just hanging out anywhere is wasting time. Number 2, it's not always safe. You never know who else could be hanging around a mall. Number 3, I'm not going with you, and you can't go by yourself. It's too far anyway. You can't ride your bike along the highway.
That's more than one. That's more... What does redeem mean?
Oh, redeem the time?
Yeah.
Don't waste it. God gives us only so much time, so use it for something worthwhile, not like hanging out at the mall.
Okay. That's 3 reasons.
Well, the other 7 are Mom and Dad said no.
Okay. Want to go to the park?
Yes.
Then let's go.